Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a Tesla Model Y, and every few months, probably 6 months, it gets stinky. If you notice that, mine smells like feet or something. I don't know what it is, but I have to keep changing the filters. It is almost time for me to change mine here, but I'm gonna show you guys these filters and what they look like and what we get all in the kit. So here we go. So this is the instructions here. If you need to figure out how to do it, it's got everything you need in the kit, which is pretty easy. You just pull out some panels and it comes with everything you need, which is nice. Nice to have this. So I'll show you, I'll explain it a little bit here. So you have to pop a few little of those plastic little rivet things. And so it comes with the little device to pop those ones there to pull it off from underneath your glove box. You know, so you pull those off. And then these are the filters here, which are nice looking filters here. And those will just be able to just slide out the old ones. Well, it comes with this screw here with that weird star bit kind of thing. So this comes with what you need to unscrew the container that holds this. You unscrew it, stick these two in, and like what goes in and slides down, I guess this way here, so you can pull it out and slides down, and then the other one goes on top of it. So you have two of these in there, and you slide them in, and then you've got a new air filter. So it's pretty easy, it takes like 5 minutes to do. Hopefully I'll have it displaying somewhere up here or here, me doing it, because these are always good to have. It's nice to be able to replace the air filters. So you definitely need to do those every once in a while. I'm gonna go do that this afternoon. So hopefully that video will be showing somewhere here. So thumbs up, I like this.